Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the ThePhotoStick Mobile. You can get this product starting at $50. Check out the link in the description. The ThePhotoStick is basically a regular USB stick with software that automatically scans and finds all photos and videos on your phone and is transferring them to the ThePhotoStick Mobile, so you have a backup of all your photos and videos. The ThePhotoStick comes with a short quick start guide. If you need detailed instructions including screenshots and videos, you can check out the ThePhotoStick website. The ThePhotoStick Mobile is available for iPhone and Android devices. I only have Android devices, that's why I got this one. It also comes with an adapter for phones with USB-C connection. First, I have to download the free TPS mobile app from the Google Play Store. Using the ThePhotoStick is very easy. You just have to plug it in, open the app and press the Backup Files Now button, and it automatically starts scanning and transferring all your photos and videos. Some Android versions require you to manually select the ThePhotoStick before it can start scanning and transferring your photos and videos. Depending on how many photos and videos you have on your device, it can take quite a while before the process is finished. I had over 8,000 files on my phone, and it took more than an hour before the ThePhotoStick was finished. After finishing the backup, you can view all your files directly on the ThePhotoStick. Remove the ThePhotoStick and store it at a safe place. Now you have a backup of all your photos and videos. You can use the ThePhotoStick to view your files on a computer. It works just like a regular USB stick. The folders on the ThePhotoStick are exactly the same as the folders on my phone. If you are looking for a device that is able to copy all your photos and videos from your phone, so you have a backup in case something happens, I would recommend the ThePhotoStick Mobile. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.